Alright, so our first problem with solving by factoring is s squared minus 2s minus 35 equals 0. So what you're going to start off with doing is making a box and divide it into 4 quarters. And then we already know that there's 35 is going to be in here, so we're going to put that there. And then up here we also know that s squared belongs here. So we know that s and s are going to multiply to equal s squared. So now we just need to figure out which two numbers are going to multiply to 35 and if they add together go to 2s, negative 2s. So we know that by doing math we have negative 7 and positive 5, and that's going to be 5s and negative 7s. So those will multiply to negative 35 down in the bottom. And they also, if you add them together, will equal negative 2s. So our final solution for this is y equals s minus 7 and s plus 5. And we know that because that's what we're trying to look for on this part here. So this is a positive, so that'll be a plus. So that's what we're looking for right here is this. So next problem will be x squared plus 2x minus 15 equals 0. So the same thing, we're going to write out a box and put 4 sections, and then x squared and negative 15 go in the box already. So you have your two x's in the corner, and then you have positive 5 over here and negative 3 over here. Again, we're looking for two numbers that are multiplied equal negative 15 and add together to be 2x. So we have 5x and negative 3x, and that will be y equals, so x plus 5 and x minus 3. So nice. So our final problem is negative 2x, or x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. So just like the other ones, I draw out a box. So x and x with your x squared down here, and then 1 over here is going to be what we're going to put in there. So negative 1 and negative 1 will be what we put with our x's, because negative 1 times negative 1 is 1, because those negatives cancel out. And we also know that negative 1 times x is going to be negative 1x. If you add those together, it'll be negative 2x. So our answer will be negative y equals x minus 1 and x minus 1. Or you can also do y equals x minus 1 squared, which would be easier.